RevvedSupply.com markets itself as a dream destination for car lovers, packed with high-performance parts like turbo kits, intercoolers, exhaust systems, and suspension upgrades. Even sells various t-shirts. Sounds like a gearhead's paradise, right? But before you hit add to cart, let's take a closer look to see if this site is actually legit or just another automotive scam in disguise. First off, the domain was only registered in 2024, which makes it a pretty new player in the game. Now, a new website isn't automatically a red flag, but when there's no track record, no reputation, and no solid customer feedback to back it up, it definitely makes things a bit risky, especially when it comes to car parts that can be expensive and sensitive to quality. Another thing that feels off? There's no About Us page anywhere on the site. So we have no idea who's running the show. No team info, no business background, nothing. For a site selling high-value auto parts, that lack of transparency is a big red flag. If something goes wrong with your order, who do you even contact? Speaking of contact, they do promote their social media, except the Facebook link doesn't even work. It leads to a dead page. That's sketchy. They do have an Instagram account that looks active and has a decent follower count, but the broken Facebook link makes you wonder if they're really engaged with their customers or just pretending to be legit. Now let's talk reviews. Their website claims over 6,000 glowing reviews, almost all 5-star. But when we check Trustpilot, ouch. Only 5 reviews total, and the average rating is a disappointing 2.7 stars. That's a huge gap and raises questions about whether the reviews on their site are even real. And unfortunately, those Trustpilot reviews are not encouraging. One user says they were charged monthly without permission and suspects it's a scam. Another claims they were enrolled in a subscription they never signed up for, and that canceling was a nightmare. Invalid emails, broken systems, and no clear way to stop the charges. According to them, bad reviews get deleted and customers are basically forced to leave 5-star ratings just to get support. Yikes. So, is RevvedSupply.com legit? Honestly, it doesn't look promising. Between the new domain, no transparency about the team, broken social media links, sketchy reviews, and serious accusations from real users, it's hard to trust this site. If you're thinking of ordering from them, it might be safer to steer clear and stick to more established retailers with proven credibility and real customer service. Have you come across Revved Supply or had an experience with them? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take.